What's up, everybody? Rob here. You're watching another episode of Man vs. Bowl. Unofficially the longest running bowl making DIY show on YouTube. I have made a shit ton of bowls on this channel. This is my life's work. This is my contribution to the United States of the planet. It is also Super Bowl weekend, which I don't give a shit about, but now gives me creative license to make a giant bowl of cereal. This is also a perfect project for this week because Corinne doesn't usually allow me to buy shitty, sugary, sweet cereals, but guess what? She is out of town. She's out of town on a yoga meditation retreat, which I was invited to, but I said absolutely not. Because this week I'm sitting here to make the biggest goddamn bowl of edible cereal that you've ever fucking seen. So I went to the store and holy shit. Have you gone down a cereal aisle lately? I haven't. You probably have, but I freaked the fuck out when I went down that aisle. When you're an adult, one day you can do this too. You can literally walk down the cereal aisle and buy every single box that you want. I looked like a fucking straight up crazy person pushing this cart around the store. You know, it also makes you look a little nuts, buying a bowl this fucking big. I can curl up and take a little fucking nap in this thing. Put one of those in there, get a little pillow. Oh yeah, this is nice. Oh. Okay, maybe not. They got Dippin' Dots fucking cereal, donuts, thousands of little donuts in a bowl that you can eat in the morning. Churros, peanut butter cocoa pebbles, brand new. I got all of them, and my favorites. It's out of goddamn control. Or am I out of control? I don't know. Recipe-wise, this is what I'm thinking. I'm gonna take a Rice Krispie Treats recipe. That way I can just take all of the cereals, mix them up, throw some marshmallows in them, melt them down, and then form them inside the stupid sized bowl. Cool it, and then throw in some melted chocolate to kind of seal things up. So that way you can actually consume cereal out of it. All right, now we just take all of them and we just throw them all in. Captain Crunch, oh, goddamn. Fruity Pebbles. Do you even know who the Flintstones are? Oh, that's looking delicious. Cocoa Pebbles. Hands down my favorite cereal. Yeah, peanut butter Cocoa Pebbles. Don't mind if I do. I got this variety box here. Throw some churros in there, some donuts. Mix all that in. Shit. I don't even know how much cereal I need for this project. All right, now that all this is mixed, I'm taking it out of the bowl and back into the goddamn boxes that I threw around. Now I just line this thing with some plastic wrap, grease it up, plastic it up. Feels good to me. Now that this is finished, I'm melting 6 tablespoons of butter and 6 cups of marshmallows, and then 6 cups of cereal. And if anyone's keeping track out there, that sounds like the goddamn mark of the devil. Coincidence? Totally not. Look at all that gooiness. It's really hot. I know it's really hot. I know it's fucking probably really stupid to eat this, but that is, oh my God. Oh, that's delicious. Perfect consistency. Let's put it in the bowl. Now I'm just taking it and I am just putting it right down in the middle. I'm gonna start a base with it. And you wanna dish that out kind of fast because it's gonna cool. That's hot. Now you want to start compacting it together to create a mass. And you just do this, I don't know, enough fucking times until everything melts together and you have a giant bowl full. It's hot. It's the next iteration of crack cocaine. I just discovered it. After enough times of doing this, this honestly doesn't even taste sweet anymore. It almost comes together like a fine cheese, which is crazy to even say out loud. I'm fucking losing my mind over here. God damn, I didn't include an ingredient in here. Fucking elbow grease. Jesus, this is some fucking work. Going on with the next layer. Every time. Building up the sides here a little bit. That, my friends, is about done. It's a giant fucking bowl of cereal right there. Next step, some chocolate gets melted, and then you just mix this up till it forms a nice little chocolate sauce. We're gonna create a layer now on top of this as like a base, as a seal. Here we go. Yeah, that's the stuff. Now we're spreading the fucking news. Woo! This is a fucking workout. That looks pretty fucking done to me. I'm taking this outside to cool overnight because it's getting late. And then tomorrow morning, you and me, we're gonna have a big fucking Super Bowl of cereal. You ready for this? It's the next day. I've left this thing sitting outside all night long. Look at that. That's a thing of beauty right there. That's hard. I'm assuming that at this point I just flip it over. Jesus Christ. All right, here goes nothing. Oh, I could hear it. Oh God. Fuck yeah. Oh my God. That's a thing of beauty. God damn. Hallelujah. All right, you ready? This is it, the big turn. Oh my God. We did it. Oh, we did it. Holy shit. This is the fucking stupidest thing I've ever made on this channel. Look at all those different fucking cereals in there. You know when you go to like a museum and you see pots and bowls from ancient civilizations? This is just as good. And this thing weighs, I don't even know how much. I'm actually gonna get a scale and we're gonna weigh this fucking thing. This thing weighs in at approximately 18 pounds. Holy shit. To give you a little size comparison, this is just a regular bowl. I don't know how much fucking milk I'm gonna need. I don't even know if I have enough cereal left, to be quite honest. Grab your spoons, everybody. We're gonna be making a little mix of all of our favorites here. Get those Dippin' Dots in there. Yeah, Fruity Pebbles. Sprinkle some of those churros in there. This is a goddamn dream come true is what it is. That is a fucking bowl of cereal. Holy shit. Oh, that is a combination. I mean, this looks amazing right now, but it all comes down to seeing whether or not it holds milk. Oh shit, here it goes. Oh God, I don't know. Is this bowl even going to support this much fucking milk? Here, what do you think? Is that enough milk? That's some Willy Wonka shit right there. Is anything coming through? There's nothing coming through that. Oh my God, this is holding up, which means I don't have to worry about it. Oh goddamn, look at you. There's nothing bad about this. This is a big moment. I haven't even eaten dinner. It's like a sea of cereal, literally. Like there are like full-on fucking currents in this thing. Waves. Ahoy! Talk about some ASMR. You want to get in on that? Everybody be quiet. Oh, you like that, don't you? You would like that, you sick fucks. Okay, all right, enough. You definitely have to eat it pretty quick because it starts to get soggy and you get a little bit of the bowl. Oh, that's heaven. Oh my God. This is a cereal blend for the ages. This is where it's at. You fucking did it. We did it. I did it. I did it for you. You want to try a little bit of this? Right there. Yeah, right? Oh, stomach hurts. That's a lot of cereal. A lot of sugar. Ugh. You ever reached a point in cereal when you eat so much of it that the roof of your mouth feels like razor blades? I fucking hate that. But you just keep on eating anyways. It's terrible. It sucks. Oh, it hurts so bad. Oh, yeah. So good. Speaking about demonetization, we joke about it a lot, but it is a super serious conspiracy that affects each and every single one of us. A lot of you have suggested that we start a Patreon, but YouTube actually just started a similar memberships program that a lot of creators are starting to get into because they offer on-platform perks, which is kind of interesting. We're gonna test it out, but by no means are we asking or demanding it of you to join. Nothing's gonna change around here. There's gonna be an upload every week, whether you like it or not. You're not getting out of that one that easy. But if you do decide to join and help support the channel, we're gonna be offering up things like super demonetized episodes. If all of these f***ing bleeps drive you as crazy as they do me, you're gonna enjoy this no bleeping non-censored shit. There's gonna be behind the scenes clips, customized ThreadBanger emojis, badges, the whole thing. Hell, if you want me to wrap up this bowl and send it to you, there is a level for that. I'll send you everything we make. I don't give a shit. I don't want it. Anyways, check out the join button. It's right next to the subscribe button, which hopefully you have hit already. If not, I suggest that you just get on top of your shit. Do me another favor, drop your future bowl suggestions down in the comments below. I'll see you here next week. Whoa. Ooh, a marshmallow. Where'd you come from? Oh. Woo, is that a churro? Holy.